Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2017 Buick Envision Essence, stock number Z7639X. Only 8,000 miles on this Envision. It's a one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, chili red metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Outboard rear seats are also heated. Rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, backup camera, rear parking sensors, power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Split seats. Fold flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers with additional underfloor storage. And of course, very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Essence has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, again only 8,000 miles, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. Separate rear climate control. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone front climate with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices, large glove box with all the owner's materials inside, overhead, home-link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this Envision has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 197 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Envision, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.